Downloading your account data from Discord is a straightforward process that allows you to access your information. Follow these steps to retrieve your data. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or access the Discord website through your web browser. Log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Go to User Settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon User Settings at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface. Click on it to open your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy and Safety. In the User Settings menu, find and select the Privacy and Safety tab. This section contains options related to your account's privacy and data. Step 4. Request Data Download. Scroll down to find the Request Data option. Click on it to initiate the process of downloading your account data. You may need to confirm your request. Step 5. Wait for the email. After requesting your data, Discord will process your request. You will receive an email once your data is ready for download. Follow the instructions in the email to access and download your data. After completing these steps, you will have successfully downloaded your account data from Discord. Make sure to check your email for the download link and keep your data secure.